You got one?
No, I'm okay.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
And I'm Brian.
We're back at Long Beach Peninsula today.
Oh.
We're not camping on the beach because unfortunately you can't do that. It would be pretty cool if you could, but...
and dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous too. But we thought we would come out here, have a little lunch before we check into our campground that we're going to be staying at tonight, which is
Cape Disappointment State Park.
Yeah.
Oh. Southernest tip of Washington State on the coast.
Yeah, so we've got a nice little secluded camp spot there. So we're going to hang out here for a little bit and then go check that out. So, and it has been snowing here at the beach, crazy enough, over the last couple days. I think they got like 7 inches of snow here at Long Beach, which is really weird because we didn't get any snow at our house. We had more like freezing rain type of weather. So,
Yeah. Too funny.
Yeah.
I was hoping there was going to be snow on the beach. That would have been epic.
Unfortunately, no.
Oh, what a nice day. A little cold. Still nice. Looks like we got some meats. We got some cheese.
Oh.
Yeah, that wind.
Uh-huh.
My fingies are frozen, bro.
Mine too.
Eat them up. Nothing better than a charcuterie on the beach.
Car shootery. Trailer shootery.
Camping shootery.
Let's coin that term. Sunshine.
All right, that's it from here. It's a little cold.
A little chilly.
Yeah, we're gonna make a couple stops maybe, and then head to our
campsite.
Yep.
Get all unpacked and get the fire going.
Go down to the beach.
Yeah, that too. All right, we have made it to our campsite. We actually met one of our Instagram friends turned friend,
Yeah, he
Eric.
bought our awning.
Yeah, he bought our Iron Man awning, and he saw us on the beach, and so we had stopped so I could go to the bathroom, and he pulled up next to us, so we went and had a beer at North Jetty with him,
funny.
and then now we're at our camp spot, so we are going to get the trailer all set up,
Let's go.
and then we're gonna head down to the beach.
Yeah, for sunset.
Yay! Let's go.
Got a little Sandy going over the pass.
Oh, smell that.
Smell that campfire.
Oh my god.
Woo, girl.
That's insane.
Well, I don't think we've used that since then.
Nope. One, 2, 3. More, baby.
Good job.
All right, we have walls that we can put up. What are the directions? Oh, look, there's little things up here.
Oh. And then these go around the pole. Okay, I'm getting it now.
Oh, this is cool. This is gonna lock the heat in big time when we start the fire. Cool. It'll work until that wind starts to blow. Then it's gonna be like,
Yeah, then we'll have to take it down, I think.
all right, we got mostly set up. We got our bed made, and then we got chairs, table, tent, pop-up tent up.
Ooh. I like it.
Liquid Death, what's it called?
Squeezed to death.
Got a Johnny Utah from Georgetown Brewing, and our new koozie
Average open window.
podcast.
Yeah.
Check us out. We were on there a couple weeks ago.
We were at Joshua Tree a couple weeks ago. We stopped at the visitor center there, and they had an awesome sticker. It's "Don't die today, hike smart." So I really like this, so I got it for the trailer.
Got all set up, cracked open beers and liquid deaths, and we're gonna go
To the beach. Wow. Hey, there's is that the lighthouse?
No, that's a boat.
Oh.
No, that's crabbing boat probably.
Oh. Okay. Oh, there's a lighthouse.
Really close. Holy cow.
Whoa. This
Oh, yeah.
is the beach that we always look down on.
Uh,
Oh, cool. This is a whole ass tree.
that is a whole tree that washed up on the shore.
Crap.
Look at this stump.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Hey. Oh wow, it is absolutely perfect right now. Oh wow, look at that big one.
Look at its
If you come to
claw.
the beach and you don't do this, you're missing out, man. Oh, it's so beautiful out here.
It is. Oh my gosh, so pretty.
Yep.
Cold. My face is frozen.
Yeah, there's that. Okay.
All right.
It's cold.
It's cold. We need fire.
Let's go get some dinner. Got
Okay.
some steak.
Ooh.
Yeah.
All right. Let's
go.
go. We are doing a steak for Bride that we got from our favorite place, Matt's. And shout out to the guy who recognized us today and watches our video. Hi. Thanks for watching. But we got an awesome steak. I've got a mac and cheese, just Reese's that we're going to throw and then make it elevated how I like to do. I'm going to have a burger with some garlic Parmesan sauce. So yeah, we're just fixing up just kind of basic, but you know, elevated how we like to do. Keep it simple out here. So got some garlic lovers seasoning to put on the steak, so should be yummy. I also brought some of my homemade bacon jam that I made over Christmas time. So it's bacon from Matt's Meats, and I sauteed up onion, and then it's got brown sugar. It's all caramelized and yummy, so I'm gonna throw that on top of Brian's steak and on top of my burger too.
I got the tent lights up. All nice and illuminated. Instant lighting solution right there. Our magnet little
Magnet lights from
rechargeable.
Amazon.
We love those things. Put those right on the freaking grill. Boom.
Now I can see what I'm doing.
We're talking about diesel heaters. I
Oh.
want to get one and stay out.
Stay out.
Yeah. Finally ready to pull the plug and
They don't have them. Go figure.
don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. This looks delicious.
Oh my goodness. This is way too much.
Yeah. Oh, that bacon on top, dude. WTF.
It'll make it taste even better. Oh, so good. That was yummy.
Oh, yeah. We got dinner cleaned up finally, forever.
Finally.
Saw a raccoon trying to get in our trailer. We're like, nah.
Trash panda's out.
Nope. We got a beer from our local brewery in our town called Explorer Brewing. It is the best brewing. They have so many different beers. So many beers.
What, like 18 or something?
Yeah, but got a crowler of it last night. We stopped in and had pizza, had a couple pints. So good.
After a rough week.
Yeah. Update. We got our plane tickets to Europe.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yep.
Yeah, we got them a couple of weeks ago. But we decided we are going to fly through Iceland because it was actually a really good deal round trip for the three of us. And we got extended leg room for our long haul flights. So we're flying Seattle to Iceland, staying over in Iceland for 2 whole days.
Because it's Iceland.
Because why not? And then we fly from Iceland to Munich, and we're going to hang out there for a few days, head to Prague, and then
Brussels.
Brussels,
Frankfurt,
wherever. We don't know the rest of it.
Moving north.
But
Frankfurt.
we're flying home from Dublin via Iceland back to Seattle. So
Yep.
it's going to be a whirlwind of like a little over 3 weeks. So It's gonna be pretty freaking cool.
All of July. If you
Yep.
need us,
We'll be in
we
Europe.
won't be here. we gone, girl.
3 weeks is gonna be just weird to be gone
Right.
in foreign countries.
I'm already freaking out. Guys. I have no idea what's going to be going on. I need to do research, and I'm like, where do I start?
And
Anybody got any helpful hints for us? Just reach out.
I've talked to people who have like traveled over in those different areas that we're going to, so that we got some good tips to kind of watch out for and just things to keep in mind.
Yep.
So
Cool.
yeah, but that's our Europe update, because you know it's going to be here before we know it.
All right. Back to the tunes and beers.
So yeah, okay. So then this is Iosco County, Michigan, in August. Yeah. So that's
Hey, guess what, babe?
Like, August, I get to leave.
It's raining.
The rain found us.
Yep.
It's dumping.
We all received information.
As usual.
So people are back.
Wouldn't be our P&W Adventures.
Winter
Camping.
camping video without some rain.
Yep, exactly.
Oh, we can't escape it, can we?
Presenting it to you.
Yay.
Oh,
Great timing.
yep. We're gonna go curl up in our nice warm tent and
Oh, yeah.
watch some Resident Alien.
Yep.
And when we wake up
It's going to be sunny.
and 75,
I wouldn't go that far.
sunny.
Hopefully
Let's
cloudy.
just go for sunny.
I'll go for cloudy right now.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you in the morning.
All right. Good night. Good morning. We decided
morning.
to start our day even before coffee with a
Wow.
walk on the beach. Get some morning beach shots before the tide comes in even more.
Here it comes.
Oh, so pretty.
It's rained all night.
All night. So
But
hard. I thought we were going to
everything-
float away.
Yeah, really hard. And then drying out. Nature alert. We found a dead sea turtle. Crazy.
I know. It must have got lost in the current, maybe. I don't know. It's like a guy was walking on the beach and told us about it, so we walked down a little further. But he looks pretty old. But, oh, poor guy. Walking along the beach and saw this, like, there's a lot of dead crabs along that get washed up, but this was just really weird.
Crap.
It's just so strange the way that they're like, for the formation they're in, just really odd.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
It's like the one is talking to the rest of them, like, okay guys, this is it.
Yeah.
We are doing the ultimate breakfast sandwich, taking it easy this morning for brekkie. So quick, simple. We got the coffee going on the other side, so we'll be good to go in a few minutes.
Give you a shot of the loop that we're staying in again. There's about, I don't know, 9 or 10 camp spots. They're okay. They could be a lot more sheltered, a lot more secluded, but it's okay, especially, you know, in February. These guys came in late last night. It's been all right. Everything's been pretty quiet around here. Oh, new thing. We put up our gas can, so we got a 5-gallon gas can. Still need to figure this out because the thing that they sent with this, it doesn't fit. The thing is supposed to be in the middle, but whatever. So bungee cord is for now, but that'll be nice when we go on longer trips. And
Brekkie is ready.
yeah.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh,
You got your eyebrows still? Your beard's still there.
Oh. She's got the bib out.
Got the
She's
bib.
got the bib.
Got the bib.
English muffin, cheese, sausage, hash brown, egg. Military record.
Yeah, oh yes, and then, yeah, great question, Riley, because sometimes these people come forth and are like, huh, like news name.
Sit.
Oh, all right, we are all packed up and my toes are frozen again.
It happens in February.
Oh, right. But it was a good night.
Great campground.
Yeah.
Even in the wintertime. Just
Yeah.
pack a tent, pack warm clothes, pop up tent maybe, warm fire.
Warm fire, good to go. Warm food.
Yeah. It's a nice night, nice weekend, whatever.
Yeah. Go walk on the beach for
Get
a
outside.
little bit.
Yeah, just
Heck
get outside.
Yeah. It was a beautiful weekend.
Yep.
All right. Well, that is it for this adventure.
Yep.
But we've got an awesome video series coming up here in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Every Sunday we've got a video coming out. Lots of camping adventures coming up. So if you enjoy that type of video content, then definitely subscribe. We appreciate it.
Heck yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
nuts. What's for dinner?
We could actually move our chairs looking towards the ocean instead of
Right.
the camera.
Oops.
All right, that's enough. Where'd you go, motherfucker? Where'd you go? It's probably not the last time we'll see him.
Probably
He's
not.
gonna just probably come up and hang out with us. And,
Just chill by the
Yeah.
fire. Warm
Right.
up his little paws.
yeah, probably. Just like, hey man, it's cold
man.
out here, sucker.
I need a beer.